Smile. Smile, Alex. Wave. Pre-wedding. They're out riding horses. Hey, you guys could have a horse bring you up. Or take you away. Give him a little kick there. Not too hard. He'll take off running on you. Oh, I hope that dog doesn't scare the horse. Donkey. Melissa, smile. All right. Hey, Tiff. Just a little one. We're telling Aunt Shannon thank you. How you liking that, Jess? Love it. Why don't you take the lead, Jess?
Sometimes you have to swat their butt too. There you go.
Don't run whatever you do. Trust me, I
The only one
know.
that really wanted to run was Molly.
The one Alex is on. Bill.
That one's Bill. He did good with me though.
He likes to front.